Today, we're diving into a battle of titans, the Xiaomi Poco F8 Ultra versus the OnePlus 15. Both pack the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, but what sets them apart? Is it the display brilliance with Poco's staggering 6.9-inch AMOLED at 2000 nits peak brightness, or OnePlus's ultra-smooth 165Hz LTPO AMOLED? How about raw power? Does OnePlus's slightly higher benchmark scores make it the king? And what about cameras? Does Poco's 5x optical zoom outclass OnePlus's versatile 3.5x periscope? Plus, battery life and unique features like Xiaomi's HyperOS 3 AI agent or OnePlus's MindSpace app could sway your choice. So, which flagship truly dominates? And is the Poco F8 Ultra the ultimate value disruptor? Or is the OnePlus 15 the premium powerhouse you should invest in? Let's find out. Starting with the display, the Poco F8 Ultra boasts a larger 6.9-inch AMOLED panel with an eye-popping peak brightness of 3500 nits, perfect for blazing sunlight visibility, while OnePlus 15 offers a slightly smaller 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED with an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate and TÜV Rheinland Intelligent Eye Protection 5.0 certification for reduced eye strain. The Poco's sheer size and peak brightness make it unbeatable for vivid outdoor viewing, but OnePlus's higher refresh rate delivers smoother scrolling and gaming. In short, Poco leads in brightness and size, OnePlus in smoothness and eye comfort. Performance benchmarks reveal the OnePlus 15 edges out the Poco F8 Ultra with a higher Antutu score of 2,790,237 versus 2,720,760, and a stronger 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme score, indicating slightly better GPU performance. Both run the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, but OnePlus's optimization gives it a slight advantage in raw speed and graphics, making it the better pick for hardcore gamers and power users. Both devices share the same powerhouse platform, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, built on a 3nm process featuring an octa-core CPU with two high-performance 4.6 GHz Orion v3 Phoenix cores and 6 efficiency cores, plus the Adreno 840 GPU. This means both deliver flagship-level efficiency and speed, so the choice here boils down to software and user experience rather than raw hardware. Looking at special features, Poco F8 Ultra shines with its Xiaomi HyperOS 3 featuring an AI agent, Bose-tuned 2.1 stereo speakers, and 50-watt wireless charging, emphasizing immersive audio and smart AI integration. Meanwhile, OnePlus 15 counters with its MindSpace app, AI Plus Mind for capturing info, and a unique Plus Key AI button for multitasking boosts. Both offer 24-bit 192 kHz high-res audio and efficient cooling, but Poco focuses on audio fidelity and AI, OnePlus on multitasking and AI productivity. In camera tech, Poco F8 Ultra offers a versatile triple setup highlighted by a 50-megapixel main wide lens with f1.7 aperture and a 5x optical zoom periscope telephoto, perfect for detailed zoom shots. OnePlus 15 features a 50-megapixel with f1.8 and a 3.5x optical periscope. Poco's wider aperture and stronger zoom make it superior for low-light and distant photography, while OnePlus brings Dolby Vision video capture to the table for stunning video quality. The Poco F8 Ultra's standout camera features include its 5x optical zoom periscope and advanced Light Fusion 950 with Super Night mode, delivering crisp detail even in challenging light. On the other hand, OnePlus 15 offers laser focus, AI detail boost, and AI unblur and reflection eraser, focusing on AI-powered clarity and image correction. Poco goes for raw zoom power and night performance, OnePlus for AI-enhanced image perfection. Finally, battery life favors the OnePlus 15 with a larger 7300 mAh battery compared to Poco's 6500 mAh. This means potentially longer usage between charges, especially combined with OnePlus's power-efficient LTPO display. For users prioritizing endurance, OnePlus holds the edge.